Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Chase Freedom Unlimited and CD Double Cash. We'll dive deep into what makes each card unique, helping you understand their core features. We'll look at their cashback structures, including the flat rates and any special bonus categories they offer. By the end, you'll have a clear picture of which card might be the perfect fit for your everyday spending habits and financial goals. Let's get started. The Chase Freedom Unlimited card offers a solid 1.5% cash back on every single purchase you make, which is great for general spending. Beyond that, it provides even higher rewards in specific categories. You'll earn 5% cash back on travel purchased through Chase Ultimate Rewards and 3% back on dining and drugstore purchases. This card also comes with no annual fee, making it a very attractive option for many consumers. The CD Double Cash card stands out with its straightforward 2% cash back on all purchases. This is broken down into 1% when you make a purchase and another 1% when you pay your bill. It's a simple, no-fuss reward structure without any rotating or specific bonus categories to remember. Just like the Freedom Unlimited, the Double Cash card also boasts no annual fee, offering excellent value for consistent, everyday spending. So, which card is the best fit for you? If you frequently spend on dining, drugstores, or travel booked through Chase, the Freedom Unlimited's bonus categories could yield higher rewards. However, if you prefer a simple, consistent 2% back on everything without tracking categories, the Double Cash is an excellent choice. Both cards offer fantastic value with no annual fee, so your personal spending patterns will ultimately guide your decision. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.